Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much for your kind introduction, especially DALFA and Badri Expo for inviting me here. And of course, it's an honor to be in the same room as our distinguished guests and our honorable colleagues, especially our Chief Guest Major General Saab. So thank you very much. A lot of you may be wondering, what does state life insurance have to do with livestock? So before I get into that, let me quickly brief you for those who may not know what state life is. State life is a national, state-owned enterprise, an insurance corporation that was founded in 1972 under a constitutional order. Its main purpose was to work towards the best advantage of our community, i.e., the best advantage of Pakistan. What that means is that we are not limited to just life insurance. We are to do anything and everything that is required to further enhance the livelihood and the lifestyle of our fellow Pakistanis. It's been a fantastic journey for State Life over the past 50 years, but most interestingly, I'd highlight the past 5 years of incredible achievements for State Life. Just to highlight a few, State Life today is the only AAA PACRA rated life insurance organization in Pakistan. State Life covers more than 180 million Pakistanis under its social health insurance program, which is, by the way, one of the largest health insurance programs in the world to be administered by one insurance corporation, something for all of us to be very proud of. State Life has more than 15,000 physical offices across Pakistan, from Gwadar to Gilgit or Khyber to Karachi. State Life is unique in its proposition. The 97.5% of its profits are shared with its policyholders, i.e. its customers. Moreover, like I said, over the past 3 to 4 years, State Life has delivered excellent growth despite the pandemic, despite global economic challenges. State Life's new business has grown by a whopping 600% over the past 4 years, which means today our annual revenue, each year stands at more than 500 billion rupees, and our assets under management are more than 1.6 trillion rupees. Now that brings me to what State Life is today. State Life is not just a life insurance corporation. State Life today is a financial and protection ecosystem unto itself. And that is how State Life is connected with this initiative today that DALFA has undertaken. Our purpose for being here is to provide a solution that protects farmers, their families, and the livelihood, i.e. the livestock itself. We have developed a product which will provide accidental health and life protection to the farmer, to their family, and in times of need, provide income protection as well. Moreover, this product also will provide livestock insurance for our farmers. So, i.e. their livestock, should they be, we've got our esteemed guest from the health department here, should be disease-ridden, or should any calamity hit, such as floods or drought, then State Life will be there to provide protection and an income protection to our farmers. Now, this solution that we're providing will be driven by digital and AI solutions. We will be using artificial intelligence, and we have proof of concept over here because we've already delivered this in the health program that we run that covers more than 180 million Pakistanis. Artificial intelligence will be used to understand the patterns, the needs, and the requirements of each farmer so that there's a continuous feedback loop to ensure efficient and timely service delivery to the beneficiaries of this product. Now, why is this important? We have heard throughout today about the importance of a farming community, about the importance of protecting the yield, and all over the world, as many of you esteemed colleagues and guests know, This is delivered through protecting the farmers themselves, protecting their livelihood themselves. There is proof of concept that not only will this deliver protection for the families and the farmers themselves, this will deliver financial security and income protection. Moreover, it will ensure enhanced investment, local or foreign, into the livestock sector. Because once there is an efficient yield, it will automatically become more viable and attractive for our investors, be it domestic or foreign. And of course, at the end of it, the entire purpose for a national organization like ourselves is to ensure support for our rural economy. So with that, I would once again like to thank for the opportunity to speak, and would look forward to progressing this conversation with our colleagues over here for strategic partnership and a strategic role that state life can play in enhancing our rural economy and our livestock farming culture. Thank you very much.